Hello everyone, welcome back for today's puzzle. We're just continuing on in the book, and there is a link down below where you can just search for it on Amazon if you would like to solve along with me. So it looks like today we're working on puzzle 69. Let's start with this square here. It looks like we're missing 3, 5, and 9. We've got a 5 and a 9 there. So this is our 3, we've got a 5 there, so 9, 5. For this column, looks like we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6 and 8, we've got a 6 there. So 8, 6. For this box, looks like we're missing 2, 4, and 5. We've got a 4 and a 5 down here, so this is our 2. But no help up there. So 4, 5, 4, 5. For this box, it looks like we're missing 2, 7, and 9. We've got 7 covering here and here, so our 7 must be here. We've got a 9 here, so that's our 2, and that's our 9. If we do this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here. So 5, 7. Let's work on this row here. We're missing 2, 4, 5, and 6. We've got 4 and 6 here, so 2 and 5, same here, 2 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 4, 6, and same here, 2, 4, 6. For this row, looks like we're missing 1, 2, 3, and 9. We've got 3 and 9 here. So 1, 2. We've got a 9 here. So 1, 2, 3. A 1 here. So 2, 3, 9. And a 1, 3, and 9 there. So this is our 2. And it looks like this is the only place our 9 can be. And that 2 means this is our 1. And this is our 3. If we work on this column here, before we move on, let's go ahead and get rid of our 2's here because of that 2. So in this column, we're missing 1, 2, 4, and 8. We've got a 1 and an 8 there. So 2, 4. No help there. So 1, 2, 4, 8. Here we've got a 1 and a 2. So 4, 8, and we've got 1, 8, and 4 here, so this has to be our 2, makes this our 4, then our 8, and 1, and this 4 makes this our 5 and our 4. So if we work on this row, 1, 2, 3, 4, we're missing a 5, 8, and 9. So we've got a 9 here and an 8 here, so this is our 5. We've got a 9 here, so 8, 9. For this row, looks like we're missing 2, 3, and 6. We've got a 3 and a 6 here, so this is our 2. But no help on the other ones. So 3, 6, 3, 6. For this box, looks like we're missing a 2 and an 8. We've got an 8 there. So this is our 2, this is our 8. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 4 here. So 5 and 4. That 5 means this is our 2 and our 5. If we do this column, we're missing 3, 4, and 6. We've got the 3 and the 6 here, so this is our 4, which would make this our 6 and this our 4. And so then this is our 3. So for this box, then it looks like we're missing 5, 6, and 7. Got a 5 there. So 6, 7, but we've got a 5 and 7 there. So this is our 6, 7, 5. Just to finish out this row then, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the 6. For this row, we're missing 3, 4, and 9. We've got a 4 and 9 here, so this is our 3. We've got a 4 here, so 9, 4. That 3 makes this our 6 and our 3. So to finish out this box, we're missing 2, 7, and 8. We've got 7 and 8 here, so 2. Got a 7 there, so 8 and 7. There we go. That was today's puzzle. Thanks for joining me again. Please do like, subscribe, and share with anyone who you think would enjoy our content, and I will see you back here tomorrow for our next puzzle.